Hello and welcome to my how to install Minecraft Java Edition for free tutorial. This is useful for a number of reasons, not least of which the fact that the Minecraft website makes it notoriously difficult to find a proper download link. I mean, it's not on the main page. If I head over to the Try It For Free tab on Windows, it just offers me the free trial to Minecraft Bedrock Edition. I mean, any educated person with a valid or frankly invalid Mojang account has access to the game for free. So this is just a blatant attempt at penny pinching from Microsoft. If I head over to the Games tab, select Minecraft, get Minecraft, Computer, PC, Java Edition, they prompt me to pay for it. So, I mean, I mean, they've tried to hide it pretty well. But if you head to this link in the description, you can download the installer. There it is. Here it is again. And if I run that, cleared by Norton, select whatever file I want the program files in, hit next. Obviously I'm not going to install it on this login on this PC because it's already there, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel that, but you probably want to finish those steps. I mean, if I then open the Minecraft launcher, get that out of the way, you'll then be prompted with a sign-in page, which you'll need to fill out before being able to play the game. But as long as you have a available Mojang account, you don't need to pay a further penny to Microsoft. And that's my tutorial.